Pretty little bang thing, hotter than a hot tool. Me I say you hot like them, I say you hot too. Yeah, me see the curves, them pretty with the contour. Man, I say you first class, so you know I got you. Hottest in the island, the Caribbean too. Can I get a feature? Yeah, I am a fan too. Soon as you reach.
What's up, TT gang? Welcome back to another blazing hot new video. I know it's a girl vibing with Tony, right? Right, yes sir. And guess what now? Yes guys, yes, as my did say. Now, when you can see the night title in the description, today will be a 3-day video. So each day I will be doing a video. And this video is trying Pinterest styles on my little hair, my cream hair. So the style I'm going to pop up on the screen, but I didn't want to catch you hear what I mean at the end. But now I'm going to do that. I guess I have to try bone it big. So you don't know. You know the face. I said the face you don't know. Where that? So guys, you have to like, share, subscribe, comment and the post notification bell and tell me how much out of 10 that rate that style I'm gonna put in on my head. So right now I'm gonna wash my ear, so let's go. Okay gang, I just change off. So right about now I'm gonna head in the shower. Yes, I'm going to head in the shower. When I'm going to wash my hair because I gel my hair and I don't want to comb it out. So right about now, I'm gonna do this now. After me I go done know. I'm gonna get to in the back. So peace. Okay guys, I'm just done. Well, I'm fresh. I know I said combing ear time. So I want this for my nose. Yeah. So guys, right now I'm out the door. So the neighbor over there, sit there. So, class now. I'm for class now. I'm going to start with the ear now. So I'm going to show you the style that I'm going to use. So let's get into it. Okay babies, the style will be popping up right here on the screen. So yeah, let's get into it. Guys, I'm currently up on the veranda, so when I'm ready for party here, I'm going to go in my room, my grandmother's room, to party.
Wish you forgive me for living like this. Wish you forgive me for living like this. Yeah, I wish. Reach for the stars if you miss me, catch you close. Mommy said the money no matter, you make me proud. Yeah, me love the clap, she put badness low. Never stop to no matter, you know me chopstick loud. Be a show to myself. Now watch this crowd, now freak out myself. We gon' lock this below me like near number 20. Crack this code, pussy them a go like me no want talk this road. Fuck them girl, snatch them so, chop them with it, rock them gun. You think them tough, but watch them fuck. So much chop down brain for the shot them bone. Couple killer by my side, glad them roll, but you never and you know the god them come. Them now go far, we have been told, but me a go tell you till me see my grandkids soul. So me I am for the job, street that shit.
Watch it, no something like that. Now party here now, bye.
Switch up the job.
Just can't understand the girl. Shut up. I don't know why I'm rage so much. I think of the things you do. Way before my boss. Show my love, yeah. Today we're good, tomorrow she disappear. Wonder why I'm still a here. Feel like to give up sometimes. Your sexy body, I'm still a steer. When we link up, you say the right stuff. Girl, you have the right touch. Believe me, I have my heart, but we just on and off. Just tell me if it's a go work, baby. Tell me if it's a go work. Tell me, just tell me if it's a go work, baby. Tell me if it's a go work.
Jamil, you a liar. And I can't take this stress, come on, tired. Up is your boss, that's for the world. But I start to get a new girl. So you're busy all day, so you link me in the night time. Can't find none of my kind. On a football we a play, so why you put up on the sideline? Do you think I'm quite fine?
Oh, this work, baby. Tell me if it's a go work. Tell me, just tell me if it's a go work, baby. Tell me if it's a go work. You know the feeling when me up in you, me no feel that for nobody else. Yeah, can't can't stop loving you, no matter how much I stop myself. Must you do the thing up and you don't give a damn. You know what you things, you know what you million. Girl, when I mess up, you tell me something wrong. A girl like you, my one guy, you strong. More on this work, baby. Tell me if it don't go work. Tell me, yes. Tell me if it don't go work, baby. Tell me if it don't go work. Tell me, tell me, na 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 na. Must you do the thing up and you don't give a damn. You know what you think, you know what you million. Girl, when I mess up, you tell me something wrong. A girl like you, my one guy, you strong. More on this work. Tell me if it don't go work. Tell me if it don't go work. Tell me.
Say the only thing I need, the money that green. Pocket so steep, talk about my own dreams. I want designer, bling for my tongue. Money out for me, money out for me. I don't want broke again. No face for the rent. Focus on the dollars, me not beg no friend. One rich so till I can't comprehend.
Guys, I will be doing this side now. Don't mind my heel. Okay? Guys, so finish. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, and turn on the post notification bell so I can be notified when TT can drop another banger video. Guys, thank you for half of 200 subscribers. I don't like all writers will say stay, but I got tight down, you know.
Arms out records.
Any point, any girl, many pon, many so easy when you boss up. If I eat up on me, sing creep up on me, that I pass out. You ever look neat, ever flash out. I think I your two-piece with your ass out. Any point, any girl, many pon, many. Pretty girl with a body, anybody, you me did a 50 type on my table. Give her some cocky, first time turn, I'll be the side street, you know what I mean. He say, hey, pretty girl, what you doing out there? Say she hurting a love, I know she don't care. Pretty girl with a body, anybody, so me take her off for the scene. Yo, nada. Be a ganja man round her, everybody I know that. She come round and see for herself, so we do whatever the fuck what we want. Me say you're not ready, she say nah, son. See the liquor just a kick and I touch her. I think with that because
guys, my almost done. I know the edges not too up there, so right now I'm gonna do the and soon come back.
Real hot girl shit. Lay on my stomach to the up, do the cry, baby. Look back, hold it open, now he annihilated. Morning like a bitch when he hit this pussy. Damn, he probably wanna wear my hair. Choke me, spank me, look at me, baby. Hey.
Thank you guys for watching. We see you tomorrow in the tomorrow morning. Tell me for hairstyle number 2. Tell me the edges are really up to date because my ear not shallow out now. So tell me how much you rate my first hairstyle out and say. Peace. What's up, guys? What's up? You know it's a girl vibrating Tony here with. You know today my ear natural out, dog. That cream still. My vibe. A day number 2 for try. Number 2 hairstyle. Yeah, man. Yeah. So, let's remember to like, share, subscribe. Yeah. Comment, turn on the post notification bell. Man, currently at 152 subs. Please get me to 160 by next week. By next week, them time me up, please. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Right now, I can't bother come out this because this natural out. So, I'm about to like bathe and wash it again. That will be doing for the whole 3 days. So remember, like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so I can get part of the TT Nation. Yes, my name is TT Nation. So peace. Okay guys, I'm just done change off from shop. So right now I'm gonna go while I'm fresh and come back to Uno. Yeah, man. Yeah, that me I go do. You see it? Tell you guys, I know you're the night, but today I'm about I go come here right now. So instead I gonna pop up on the screen. As I was saying, guys. So basically, guys, as I said before, I go instead of just the plain style, starting to the 8 up on the end, I'm gonna come and have it here. I go burn it like yesterday and do the bubbles. Yes, but these bubbles will different style. So let's get into the video. Thank you.
More than 20 panelists, but if I don't be panelists, I'm like a guinness them now, that then I can't politics now. Wake up high, smoking on the cannabis, I walk my hand in the blind, and watch me like an analyst, now stop shine. Oh, bless the man, the cussor, dark it and the cussor, I think it's a girl, watch my pay that. Yeah, no boy, no give me the chat, not put a burn, I know my buckle. Mad them to see how we are flash, yeah, we up, take care of my business every time. But the only thing that on me mind, chala, gotta get him a day, I can make sense on it, yeah, don't me, take care of my business every time. But the only thing that on me mind. Oh, you know I can sing? Shorty a little baddie, shorty my little boo thing, and shorty got the fatty, shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I fuck with that rubber, I like
Red. White. Red and white. Red and white.
yeah, I wish you forget me for living like this. Wish you forget me for living like this. Yeah, I wish. Reach for the stars if you miss me, catch you cloud. Mommy said the money no matter, you make me proud. Yeah, me love the black ship, but badness loud. Yeah, the top to the matter, you know me chopstick loud. Be a show to myself. Now watch this crowd, now freak out myself. You gon' lock this below me like me and I'm 20. Crack this code, pussy them a go like me, now I drop this road. Fuck them, yeah, snatch them some, chop them with it, rock them go. They think them tough, but watch them fuck. So much chop down brain for the shot them bone. Couple killer by my side, let them run, my ticket never, and you know they got them come. Them now go far. We have been told, but me I go tell you, till me see my grandkids soul. So me I am for the job. Speak that shit, bury me on self and recall me. So I worry for me enemies. Real hard, yeah, me tell you, but me can't talk no feel me a shame. So my phone, just my phone, no peace can't make. Me know I love her that real hard face. So my fuck all and cut, full speed and break. Me feel like my feelings, so my sleep can't wait. Yes, I wish. Mommy, can you forget me for living like this? Tell me you don't forget me for living like this. Yes, I wish. Yes, I wish. Yes, I wish. Oh, yeah, make it stop me, yeah, man, tell me what you need. No man, no God, you know I anyway you bleed. But a friend killer, but you bury, you forget the more time for real, the more that belly won't feed. I still no praise yourself, okay, check the lead, but I move too fast, cause I need to check the speed. Just can't believe it, not the man who me reach, some more than living wild and chicken, I get my weed. And if me ever let you know, I just feel real. Me up the fire, I'm soul, and put a call me. Rolling up, while I'm grow real, victorious, until the game all the dust. I'm yelling at my bed and she don't blow me up. I'm a matic full of love and I know for good. Some body in me, I know the road, but tough, my country road, that I know the truth. Yes, I wish. Mommy, can you forget me for living like this? Tell me you don't forget me for living like this. Yes, I wish. Yes, I wish. Yes, I wish. Yes, I wish. Mommy, can you forget me for living like this? Tell me you don't forget me for living like this. Yes, I wish. Yes, I wish. Yes, I wish.
Them can't touch you too, Ryan. Touch you, Lion. Control when you have a young girl, and me never take up nothing when me can't, girl. No. Control when you have a young girl, Jaja never give you nothing but we can't, girl. Nah, funny. Pussy them a chat, and we gonna do one with the normally. Boss steady. I wish you call me when me slap up in your glass body. Pass studies. Can't get it from me, send the killer, them gonna smarty. Like Monopoly. Hey, I have a control and the truth. My time I tell the price right. She a wish upon a star and the Lord catch her eyesight. So my chain favor dry ice and the beats of the steering. Fresh under the limelight. Roll the president, play no white rice. My never dirty and the girl never likewise.
You know.
Say the only thing I need is the money that green. Pocket so steep, I could buy my own dreams. I want designer, bling on my tongue. Money off of me, money off of me. I don't want broke again. No face for the rent. Focus on the dollars, me no beg no friends. One rich, so till I can't comprehend. Yeah, I wanna live big life, my God, no for decline. Take out my new ride, go shallow, no wonder. Know the haters talking, how would read the mask? My pussy can't send, my mix, I'm in good with no class. Say the only thing I need is the money that green. Pocket so steep, I could
myself before, the edges not gonna really up the car. What man, I'm come here, natural. Guys, the edges is a fail. The edges is a failure. When I say the edges is a failure, I mean a failure. My hair really needs to be cleaned out, relaxed, and messy. Edges is a fail, no cap. No, son of that.
Mastermind. Me pray every time I feel can't do no different. Swear me I go win, that's why I'ma try again. Pray every time I feel, 'cause God always a listen. One day I have to win, that's why I'ma try again. Tell me, working hard when I'm still struggling. Minimum wage can't cover my bills. Somebody tell me how I'm gonna live. They might complain, but me not give in. I'll do it now, sure. Only me and God know how my day go. So when me have to make a bad drive out of town, I'm free all my want for cut the place and down. Yes, me, Tanisha first starter. When me just start, me used to hear day laughter. But you me know say a time are the master. And everything I say I'm going do me, I go after. You see the free, that's why every day my OD. Just I get a girl from the east with a dream. I shoot for the top and make up in your team. Every time I feel.
Guys, I kinda feel on this one because what? Never have the ear not there, but my bubbles, everything part except the edges. Because well, me wash my ear and never get to dry it out same time. And plus it's natural. So guys, thank you for watching day number 2. We will see each other tomorrow morning or tomorrow evening if when I wake up early enough. So yes, let's see if we can catch day 3 hairstyle, the last hairstyle, the best. What's up, guys? You know it's a girl, Sonia. My thing here, I put Sonia right, that's right. And no to that last day, is it? As me I say, guys, I know and I don't know. You see the face, I know the face, I know the figure, I know everything. And today our last day on Pinterest hairstyle. Guys, I know me I can feel like hairstyle again. So the hairstyle like a pop on the screen, right? So right now, I'm telling you, I wash my hair. I'm gonna wash my hair, beard, and come back. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the post notification bell. So you can become notified every time I become part of the TT Nation. Cover Toniann lyrics, peace. Okay, people. As I so say, guys, I'm just done beer. It's my body for me. Your time. Guys, as me saying, I'm a previous 2 video there. I'm gonna have to hear some about it. Okay guys, we're gonna get to comb my ear now, so we're gonna do nothing. It's gonna be fast. Peace.
Oh, you know I can sing? Shorty a little baddie, shorty my little boo thing, and shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I fuck with that rubber, I nut it on the covers, and I kept it on the cover, 'cause I don't kiss and tell. Every time I fuck, she call me daddy. My little mama nasty. I see the pussy through the panties. She tastes like candy. She a cool like Nefertiti. My little mama saying pretty. And we be shopping through the city. I gave the keys to the Bentley. Get off your knees, you don't gotta cry to me. I'm your best friend, baby, you don't gotta lie. I get you everything that you want and need. From Chanel to Celine, it's for you to decide. Valentino, yeah, I'll put you in the best. So lifting up your dress, no kissing on your neck, so rubbing on your butt, start massaging your breast. I ain't wanna give you a baby just yet, so I backed out and had it on your breast. I put you in an Uber.
Somebody tell me how I'm gonna live. They might complain, but me not give
Hey girl, my mouth, it can't slip. My face, it on the toilet. You see me rear, no boy ride it. You wanna leave my name, girl, I spit. Man, the clear na grow. Bad man, but I never go low. Tell them I talk to what this you a show you. I tell you a story, just this, you know. I was a nightmare, sneaky feet. Hey, Rufus, don't rush me. Keisha, the man will want it. She promised me a fuck, and me, you gonna need it. Guess what? And a SpongeBob thing. And a Scooby-Doo thing. Chuck up your pussy is a Pikachu thing. Hey, girl, don't play, make your balancing. This way, you see me mouth, it can't slip. You see my face, it on the toilet. You see me rain, no boy ride it. You wanna leave my name, girl, I spit. Man, the clear na grow. Lali coulda never go low. Talk them a talk, girl, and this you a show this. Broke your butt and touch your toe. Bad man a tipping a it. Lali tipping a it. Jump the man, them a tipping a it. Broke your butt and move your hip. That's why Lali tipping a it. Pata sing tipping a it. Ireland tipping a it. Broke your butt and move your hip. My mouth, it can't slip. My face, it on the toilet. You see me rear, no boy ride it. You wanna leave my name, girl, I spit. From man, look like grow. Bad man coulda never go low. Tell them I talk, girl, and this your show, girl. Broke your back and touch your toe, baba. Bad man, tipping a it. She up, tipping a it. Pata skank, tipping a it. Broke your back and move your hip. African, tipping a it.
Thank you guys for watching the YouTube video. So guys, this is my hair. My tickle say all of the first time I get good, but rate this time out of 10 still. Remember to like, share, subscribe. My hair will be combed over, cream, so about next week I do a hair tutorial again. Remember to like, share, subscribe. If you want a part 2 for this, tell me. So like, share, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you can become notified every time the TT Nation. Come on, Male. Say hi.
Bye, yo, yo. Yeah.
So notified every time the TT Nation jump on banger video. Peace.
Pretty little bang thing, hotter than a hot tool. I say a hot like them, I say